Hello everyone, this is how to use the split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE to use two applications at the same time. Let's say you wish to make calculations and fix your results in the notes. So let's open the calculator app and let's open the Notes app. Of course, you can switch between the applications using the left control button, like this. Left control button, switch, left control button, switch. But to me, much more convenient is to have both applications on one screen. So let's tap the left control button and tap and hold one of the applications and drag it to the top of the screen or to the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Now our screen is splitted and the first application is on the bottom of the screen and second is on the top. And to exit the split screen mode, tap and hold on these three dots in the middle of the screen and drag up or drag down. That's it. And one more feature, even if you have just one application open, you still can enter the split screen mode, but by tapping and holding and dragging it to any part of the screen like this, and then you can just pick from the applications list any another application. For example, I wish to calculate and watch YouTube. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.